Well, good afternoon and welcome to the Idahoan Show. So, the other day I went to buy just a simple router fence for my wood router. And I was a little disappointed with the available options. It seemed like there were basically just two models on the market. One of them was really big and fancy and had a lot of features that I didn't need and was really expensive. Not to mention, it looked like it'd be awfully heavy and clumsy in use. The other one was just this flimsy little piece of stamped sheet metal that was still ridiculously expensive for what you were getting. And so, in lieu of buying a router fence, I decided to build my own. I started by taking a scrap of high-density polyethylene cutting board material and cutting it up into 3 stackable blocks. I clamped these blocks together and planed them to a more precise size using my milling machine. Then I drilled a pair of 1/4-inch diameter mounting holes through the stack of blocks. I also drilled a matching pair of mounting holes in a clamping bracket that I made out of a scrap of flat steel. Next, I planed a block of scrap aluminum to size. I drilled and tapped a pair of threaded holes in the aluminum block to facilitate attachment of the HDPE. I then drilled a pair of perpendicular holes in the aluminum block to accommodate the router guide rods, and also tapped a couple of threaded holes for set screws. Once assembled, my homemade router fence seemed to work just fine. It is amply sturdy without being overly heavy, and the HDPE should minimize the chance of marring the workpiece as well as reducing the coefficient of friction. Now, this should be a useful addition to my shop. In any case, thank you for watching the Idahoan Show.